Hi everybody. In order to upload Facebook Reels from PC to the Facebook page, we need to go to Facebook Creator in this URL, and then we click on Create New and Create Reel. Then we browse the file, the movie file, and we can see on the right the video that we uploaded. And we can add a caption. For example, how to do affiliate marketing without showing your face. And then we click on next. We can trim the video and resize the video if we need. We click another time on the next. We can choose the allow remixing, and we have the option to publish now, to schedule, or save as a draft, and then we just need to click on publish. If we want to add the music, we can click on the file management, the sound collection, and here we can search for a music or sound to download it and to add it to the video. That's all for now. Thanks.